मडगांव पालिकेच्या बिल्डिंगेत बॉम्ब आसा म्हणून पालिकेच्या सीओक मेल आयलो आणि एकूच बोवाळ जालो। सगळो स्टाफ आणि लोक बॉम्ब आसा म्हणून फॅक्स आयलो आणि बोवाळ जातनाच स्टाफ आणि लोक काचाबूल जावन भायर धांवले। उपरांत कळ्ळें की सागर कवच मोहिमे खाला पुलिसांचे मॉक ड्रिल, मात मॉक ड्रिलान थोडो वेळ सगळ्यांक खांब काडलो।
हे लोक धांवतात ते मडगांव पालिकेत बॉम्ब आसा म्हूण एक फॅक्स येतकीच हातूंत लोकूय आसात आणि पालिकेचो स्टाफूय। सीओक आयिल्लो फॅक्स एके बायल एम्प्लॉईन वाचिल्लो।
हांवें फॅक्स वाचला, इट इज हाव फॅक्स वाचला, आमकां फॅक्स येयले बॉम्ब आसा म्हणून आमी सगळ्या लोकांक भायर काडली। मात
उपरांत कळ्ळें की तें सागर कवच मोहिमे खाला पोलिसांचे मॉक ड्रिल, पालिकेत बॉम्ब आसा म्हूण आयिल्लो फॅक्स फेक।
Yes.
So this was part of Sagar Kavach.
No, that is what happened. Whatever we got facts, we have taken precautionary actions. We have already called the concerned state agencies, who is coordinated with for these operations. We have informed to district magistrate control room. We have informed to police control room. We have informed to fire brigade. Even that we have told staff to be alert. Public we told you please go.
मॉक ड्रिल आसा जाल्यार तशें खंय स्टाफाक पयलींच सांगपाचें असले आर्ग्युमेंट घालून थोडे सीओच्या नांवान चाळवले।
तसं बोलायचं नसतं, कोणी सांगितलं बोला मॉक पुण्यामध्ये असू शकतो मग
तुमचं ते कंट्रोल रूम म्हणतात तसं आहे म्हणून कंट्रोल मी आता
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।
एडव्होकेट एक्टांत दुरुस्ती करपाक म्हणून लॉ कमिशनान भारत सरकाराक सुचयल्ले दुरुस्ती विधेयकाची कॉपी दक्षिण गोंयच्या आदवोगादांनी निशेध करून चाळी। शुक्रारा दनपारा उपरांत तांणी कोर्टाच्या कामकाजाचेर बहिष्कार घालो। लॉ कमिशन लिगल प्रोफेशन कंट्रोल करपाक सोदता म्हणून आदवोगादांचो दावो। दुरुस्ती विधेयक लागू जाल्यार आदवोगादांनी संपार वचप बेकायदेशीर थारतलें।
दक्षिण गोंयच्या आदवोगादांनी शुक्रारा दनपारा उपरांत कोर्टाच्या कामकाजाचेर बहिष्कार घालो। आदवोगादांचो एडव्होकेट एक्टांत दुरुस्तीक विरोध।
Today we have all gathered here today to condemn the recommendation made by the Law Commission of India to the Government of India to make amendment to the Advocates Act. You know, there are so many draconian, unconstitutional and unreasonable amendments which are sought to be made and which are recommended by the Law Commission of India. The Bar Council of India as well as the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa has given a call that we should condemn this and we should burn the entire bill before the court, which we have done. The call was also given to abstain from the court. There are no lawyers who have appeared before the court, all of South Goa and including North Goa. Nobody has appeared before the courts. This bill has to be condemned. We will see, we will fight it tooth and nail and ensure that this particular amendment, what is sought to be made, will not be carried out. It is completely wrong on the part of the Law Commission to recommend such amendments to the Advocates Act which go against the legal profession. There is an amendment which is sought to be made where the disciplinary committee will consist of 2 persons who are not lawyers. So in the end they are trying to regulate, they are trying to usurp the powers of advocates and give these powers to other people who do not belong to the legal profession and indirectly control the legal profession. So we are not going to allow anybody to control the legal profession. The legal profession's independence has to be retained and we will see that it will be retained. But nobody was actually called so much to participate in this. Lawyers were called to abstain from court work. There's not even a single lawyer who is attending the court. That was what we were looking out for.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात। नमस्कार।